Hello everyone, my name is Damien from DKBrickStudios, and today we're going to be looking at, we're not going to be looking at, but today we're going to be building the Special Forces TIE Fighter from Star Wars Episode 7, The Force Awakens. So yeah, here we are with this model, and yeah, but before we get started, please, let me just let that intro roll, and we're going to get started with this, shall we? Alrighty, so here we are. This is the Special Forces TIE Fighter. So if you have not seen my mock spotlight, go check that out. It'll be carded up in the upper right hand corner. And yeah, from here, let's just take a quick look at all the views of the model. So we have here the front view, the back view, left, right, bottom, top, and yeah, there we go. So without further ado, let's get started. As I build, you'll get all these parts showing up in here, and yeah. Let's get this thing started, shall we? We need a brick 2x2 and a plate 2x2. Raise this up quickly, just for a sec. Now we're adding some stuff underneath. We're adding we need a plate 1x2, a plate round 2x2, and a 2 green transparent studs. Excuse me for a second. Oh god. Excuse me, my goodness gracious. God dang. And we're going to need a black. Like that. So that's what that should look like. And now we're going to be adding all these 2x2 with 2x2 overhang, or is it? What'd you say? It's a bracket. Oh, bracket. Oh, bracket. Okay, and I skipped a step, but hey, you know what? We're doing it anyway, so we gotta do it twice, so okay then. Alrighty, so there's that. Now we're adding the cockpits. And yes, this thing does have multiple cockpits. We'll need a transparent round, 2 transparent round 1x1 studs to go in the center of those. And then we're going to need a trans red dish inverted here and here. We just put juice. Oh, did I put that on wrong? Oh boy, I put that on wrong. My bad. Okay, my bad. Okay, my bad. My bad. My bad. Okay, this is what I get for doing that. No. That down, and then we attach these on top, like so. There you go. That's more like it. Okay, there you go. No, that's how that should look. My bad, folks. My bad. I admit it. I messed up. Okay, so this is okay. So we need to add a clip, a plate, tile 2x2 round, and a brick 2x2 round. Nope, not brown. Red. We need that in red. Okay, brown brick. Attach that there. Now we're filling the rest of that out. And we need two more. We need two plates, 2 by 2 round. Oh, wow, I skipped a thing, but okay, what's that piece? Minifig utensil, hose, nozzle, elaborate. Okay, then. Let me search hose. Yep, you're going to want this. And you're going to attach that there. And now we're starting the wings. So we're going to need a 5, 6, 7, 8, two 2x4s, and two 2x8s. And yeah, that's how that should look for right now. Now we're adding the first set of wings. Wrong one. Or really the foils, but, you know, part of the structure at least, you know. Like that. That should look like that. And then we're filling the rest out. If you haven't guessed it. Okay. Now we're adding some detailing. Now we're adding 1x1s. Then we just need some 1x2s and plate 2x2s round plates. And there you go, your Special Forces TIE Fighter. just looks a little more official. Here you go, your Special Forces TIE Fighters. So yeah, that's basically it, folks. Basically it. That's not a bad model, I'm not gonna say. So yeah, this is Danny from DKBrickStudios signing off. And before I get fully sign off, but check out my friend's novel, link to that in the link in the description down below. Check out all my socials, that's all linked in the description down below. Also, so please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, recommend any new models if you would if you would like me to build. I will get to them as soon as possible. And yeah, that is basically it. Yeah. I think I forgot this. I might have forgotten to say this, but hey, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, please, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Danny from DKBrickStudios. Sign out. Remember, may the Force of others be with you always. Chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.